Hello friends, in this lesson I will show you how to submit a sitemap in Google Search Console. So this is the Google Search Console dashboard. Now over here I am clicking sitemap button. So click now here, and here show a pop-up, welcome to Search Console. So I have clicked start button and here got it. So now look here, add a new sitemap. Okay, here I paste sitemap URL and click submit button. So where I found sitemap URL, right? So I need to go WordPress dashboard. Let's go. This is the WordPress dashboard, and here already installed Yoast SEO plugins, right? Here is the Yoast SEO plugins. So I need to click, this is the Yoast SEO dashboard. So here I find sitemap URL. So I need to click features and scroll down and look XML sitemap, and here question mark. So I need to click this question mark, right? So see the XML sitemap. Friends, this is a automated created sitemap. Now I want to click this and see this sitemap URL. Okay, so click now. This is the XML sitemap front view. So I need to click this URL, or I back WordPress dashboard and click right mouse and copy link address. Okay, so I click copy link address, or I copy it from this URL, Ctrl C, and go Google Search Console, and here paste this sitemap URL, and I need to submit this. Okay, so let's go and click submit button. After clicking submit button, it will be take few seconds, and here show new pop-up, sitemap submitted successfully. So now I click get it. Okay, and check, here is the status. Status successful, last read date, submitted date, type sitemap index.